be honest, we are all super pumped for Barbie the movie. Add to it the way Margot Robbie, aka the Living Barbie, is promoting the movie in classic doll ensembles, making fashion enthusiasts like us more excited. The most recent look that is now going viral is from the world premiere of the movie in Los Angeles. Margot sparkled in a black sequin dress that was an exact replica of the 1960s Barbie's solo in the spotlight outfit. It's a custom Schiaparelli haute couture bustier dress with sequin embroidery and a multi-layered tulle hem with a red hand-painted embroidered rose decorating the hem. And just like the doll, she accessorized her look with black opera gloves and held onto a light pink silk mousseline scarf. Just look at her, we actually mistook her for the real Barbie. She's anyway on a Barbie spree wearing Barbie-inspired outfits, and truth be told, we are amazed and a little jealous at the same time. This pink and white polka dot Valentino outfit with a yellow purse is inspired by the pink and fabulous Barbie from 2015, but the actress put her own spin on the look. She wore this Moschino skirt suit based on the sparkling pink Barbie from 1964 to the film's press conference in Seoul. In true Barbie style, she color coordinated her look by carrying a pink heart-shaped bag and heels. Also, can we just all agree that she looked perfect in this Versace number based on the Day to Night Barbie from 1985? And OMG, this gingham coat set has all our heart. She looked every bit like Barbie in this pink and white Prada check bralette bustier top with black ribbon detailing teamed with a matching miniskirt. By the way, this look is inspired by the Barbie outfit she wears in the movie, which is now a Barbie doll from Mattel. We also loved this black and white Hervé Leger dress, which is inspired by the outfit the first Barbie wore when the toy doll was launched by Mattel in 1959. All of them look so good, right? We are going gaga. Which is your favorite Barbie look? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Shosha for all things fashion and Barbie.